like that. So far, off to a bad start. Better, closer, warmer. And that's it. Okay. Kielbasa sausage has just got to perform. Now get it on.
We're okay. Actually, it's pretty good. About 2.5 minutes. And,
medium rare.
I think we should be done here. He's cooking. He's
well
waiting.
done.
I'm pretty sure that we've got some heat happening. There's some sparks. Always a good sign.
So you just need the right.
And pretty soon, Penner will have a hot piece of sausage here. It's almost done. Just a few more seconds. Don't worry. Everything's under control.
Where's Kimmy?
Oh, there you go. Look at it. It's sparking. Sparking. Plug it in more. Pull it out. Push it in. The electrode needs to be pushed a little bit closer to the nail.
Unplug it and push it closer.
Adjust it.
Try this at home.
I'm not wearing FRC, so.
Don't try this at home. We're what you call professionals.
A little bit of sparking going on.
Yeah.
That's good. That's normal.
Rendered professional.
That means the heat is transferring through the nail. That's what we want.
It is a good conductor.
We're hoping that it's going to heat up the piece of sausage.
This is Julius.
And there's the plan. It takes a little bit of guess and test to do this properly, but we're on the right track anyway.
Filling. Egg, take 1.
Whoa, look at it go. Excellent. Holy fuck. That's cool.
Let me zoom in.
Do it again. Do it again.
I can't zoom in.
What did he do?
Okay, let me zoom in.
See it?
Ooh.
Oh, look at that.
Yeah!
All right. That's cool. Watch it explode. Another minute or so and she should be cooked. I think it was
done.
We're go, Willie, go! Oh, teach me how to right. Oh. I took advice, no fool to take. Walk the walk and run my mouth. Been on that short end, 14 and a hall in 18. Stings a little bit, but I'm sure at the end it'll taste real good.
Okay, you're going. Raw egg takes 1.
To get it in there. You're gonna lose all the contents of the egg. Oh, look at it go!
What's it doing? Nothing.
No, it is. It's sparking. It's cooking.
Turn the lights off. Okay, turn it on. You can't see much.
Roller egg.
Turn it off.
Oh, look at the smoke coming out of it. Well, it's got to be cooking some of the egg down the bottom there.
That's good.
It'd seal up, eh?
Yeah.
Boom! Bubbles, what do you have to
guys
say?
in Fox Street lose eyesight through eggshells.
Shell fragrance.
Not cooked like, yeah. Well, there you go. That would be true too. Shell fragrance. Still leaking though. Oh, look at that! Yes! All right. Did you get that? Did you get a crack in the front? Okay, we got a short note here, which probably isn't good. But hey, it's fun.
One omelet?
Not quite.
That's disgusting.